Twilly-dilly-dee, 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 tweet, 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 tweet.
And then we're going to focus on how to identify birds.
Pay attention, son. This is for your own good.
Does anyone know any of the signs of the kosher bird?
Like if it has an extra finger.
An extra finger or toe, correct?
It has a crop. And
Yes.
does not have.
Yep, it has a crop.
Fat stuff, a genuine live duck.
But the fact is that ducks will eat fish, and we all decided that kosher birds are not predatory.
There's something going on around here that just don't add up.
But Baby Tom said it's not a factor of what it eats in terms of its zoological classification, but rather it's the comparative size. Meaning, if an animal can swallow something whole and it eats it, it's not a predator. Rashi says that it doesn't matter what it eats. It's a predator in halacha if it uses its foot to eat. If it stands on its food while it's eating, according to Rashi, it's a predator.
Devilishly clever.
It doesn't have feathers. It has, what does it have? Did anyone notice? Fur.
I'm not a bunny rabbit.
I say you gotta keep on your toes. Toes, that is.